In this video, we're going to learn ball sports that are played in teams, not only in teams but also individually. Not only that, we're going to learn how to spell these sports as well. So let's start with the first one. Soccer. S-O-C-C-E-R. Soccer, also known worldwide as football. This is something, and this is a word that is very controversial. So it's better to learn both soccer, football. But I have a question. Which one do you agree with? Soccer or football? Or how should we actually call this sport? Now, let's move on to the next sport. This one is basketball, and it's spelled as this: Basketball. Basketball. Next, we have baseball. Base. B-A-S-E. Baseball. B-A-L-L. Baseball. Next, we have American football. This is something that is only, this is a sport that is only played in the US. Or you can let me know down in the comments which other countries play this sport. I only know so far that is played in the US. So another interesting, I think, fact is that in the USA they call this sport soccer, and they call this sport American football. Next, we have volleyball. How do we spell this sport? V-O-L-L-E-Y-B-A-L-L. Volleyball. Next, we have rugby. 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 It's very similar to American football, but I think the rules might be a little different. Something similar is the ball. Let me know down in the comments what's really the difference between rugby or American football. Next, we have cricket. 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 C-R-I-C-K-E-T. Cricket. Next, we have tennis. T-E-N-N-I-S. Tennis. Next, we have table tennis. Many people confuse table tennis with tennis because table tennis is mostly known as ping pong. P-I-N-G. Pong. P-O-N-G. Table tennis, also known as ping pong. Next, we have golf. G-O-L-F. Golf. Next, we have this sport. Very interesting. It's called softball. S-O-L-F-B-A-L-L. Softball. Looks very similar to baseball. One of the differences is that in baseball, the ball is white, and in softball, the ball is yellow. If you know any other differences, let me know down in the comments. Now, the other sport over here is handball. Handball looks very similar to football, but instead of using your foot, well, you use your hand, as you can see. Now, let me know down in the comments what is your favorite sport.